Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject. It's a continuous topic, habitat types. Already you know habitats, two types, aquatic habitats and terrestrial habitats. In this video we will learn about terrestrial habitats. Habitat, the place or area where an organism lives or where it can be found. The place or area occupied by the entire community that includes the sum total of atmospheric and soil factors. Let us brief about terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitats are the ones that are found on land like forest, grassland and desert. It also includes man-made habitats like farms, towns and cities. They can be as big as a continent or as small as an island. They make up about 28% of the entire world habitat. The terrestrial habitat is classified into three types. They are forest, grassland, desert. Once again, terrestrial habitat is classified into three types. First one forest, second one grassland, third one desert. Desert habitat. This habitat is considered to be the most variable in terms of both time and geography. Climate and substance are the major factors which, together with their interactions with organisms, determine the nature of terrestrial communities and ecosystems. The terrestrial habitats include forest, grassland, deserts and rainforests. They are typically defined by factors such as plant structures, leaf types, plant spacing and climate. First one, forest habitat. Forest is a large area dominated by trees. Forest is a large area dominated by trees. There are three types of forest. They are tropical forest, temperate forest and mountain forest. Once again, three types of forest: tropical forest, temperate forest and mountain forest. A type of habitat that covers a large area where many trees, plants and animals live. Forest plants provide shade and protection for many different types of animals. Once again, forest plants provide shade and protection for many different types of animals. Next one, grassland habitat. Grassland is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grassland is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grasses range from short to tall. Grass ranges from short to tall. For example, savanna grassland. For example, savanna, grassland. Third one, desert habitat. Desert habitat. A habitat without much water is called deserts. Do you know, children? A habitat without much water. That means no water is there. It is called deserts. Deserts are the driest place on earth. Deserts are the driest place on earth. A desert is a dry place. It gets lots of sunlight and a little rain only. A few kinds of plants and animals can live there. A desert is a dry place. It gets lot of sunlight and small quantity of rain. Only a few kinds of plants and animals can live there. A desert is a very warm place. The air is very hot and dry. There is very little rain. The soil is very sandy. The soil is very sandy. Most animals that live in the desert sleep during the daytime because it is too hot. They come out at night to eat. They are called nocturnal. Some desert animals burrow in the ground during the daytime. Some desert animals burrow in the ground during the daytime. Many plants have thick leaves in the desert to retain water. Most desert animals get their water from the food they eat. The deserts are the driest place on the earth. They get less than 25 centimeters of rainfall annually. Deserts cover at least 20% of the earth. The plants which grow in this habitat have thick leaves that store water and minerals. The plants like cactus store water in their stem. This is the cactus plant. They store water in their stem and the leaves are reduced to spines. They have long roots that go very deep in the soil in search of water. Types of desert habitat include hot dry deserts, semi-arid deserts, hostile deserts and cold deserts. For example, cactus, aloe and agave. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.